Chào các bạn. Tết is round the corner, so let's learn two common Tết wishes today. The first one is An khang thịnh vượng. An khang thịnh vượng. An khang. An khang. You try. Okay, cool. Thịnh, low tone. Thịnh. And then vượng, also low tone. Vượng. Okay, don't say vượng like this. It's vượng, vượng. Okay, one more time. Vượng. Alright. Thịnh vượng. You try. Cool. Alright, the whole thing again. An khang thịnh vượng. Right, giỏi lắm ha. Number 2 is vạn sự như ý. Vạn sự như ý. Okay, vạn, low tone. Vạn sự, sự, also low tone. Okay, and remember, it's sự. It's not su. Don't say su. It's sự. So, vạn sự. Đúng rồi. Như. Okay, it's như, not nhu. Alright, so như. And then ý, rising tone. Ý. Okay, you try. Như ý. Okay, the whole thing again. Vạn sự như ý. Vạn sự như ý. Okay, now let's learn how to say that to your friend. For example, if you say this, these wishes to me, here's how you say it. Chúc Annie một năm mới an khang thịnh vượng, vạn sự như ý. Alright, one more time. Chúc. Close your mouth like this. Chúc and rising tone. Chúc. You try. Okay. Annie một năm mới. Năm mới. Okay. And then an khang thịnh vượng, vạn sự như ý. Alright, the whole thing one more time. Chúc Annie một năm mới an khang thịnh vượng, vạn sự như ý. Okay, you try. Giỏi lắm. Okay, so please practice and say these wishes to your Vietnamese families and friends. Thank you for watching. And by the way, after that, we're going to have a lot more videos in different formats, and they're going to be great fun. I got my whole staff in, and they've been helping me a lot with writing scripts and editing and filming, producing. So yeah, you're gonna see more scenarios, more situations, more interactions. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Hẹn gặp lại trong năm mới ha. Chào các bạn.